This video is brought to you by Pathfinder Education Services, a leading institute for CAT preparation. We have this question. Akshay, Twinkle and Shilpa play a game. At the start of the game, Akshay and Twinkle together had 100% more money than Shilpa. Twinkle and Shilpa together had 300% more than Akshay. And by the end of the game, Akshay and Twinkle together had 100% more money than Shilpa, and Akshay had 12.5% money less than Twinkle and Shilpa together. Finally, Akshay gained rupees 800 by the game. Now this looks like a very big question, so let's read it line by line by line and convert every sentence into one mathematical equation. So the first thing is, at the start of the game, Akshay and Twinkle had 100% more money than Shilpa. So this will give us an equation: Akshay plus Twinkle must be equal to 2 times the money that Shilpa has. So A plus T is equal to 2S. The second sentence says Twinkle and Shilpa together had 300% more money than Akshay. So this gives us the equation Twinkle plus Shilpa is equal to 4 times Akshay. Now if you solve these two equations, what you want to get is, and how do you solve these two equations? You can solve these two equations by eliminating any one variable and creating a relation or a ratio between the remaining two variables. So we get, if you eliminate t from these two equations, you will get S upon A, that is the amount of money that Shilpa has and amount of money that Akshay has, is equal to 5 upon 3. And if you eliminate T from this, if you eliminate S from this, you will get A upon T is equal to 3 upon 7, which gives rise to the relation that the amount of money with Shilpa as to the amount of money with Akshay as to the amount of money with Twinkle is equal to 5 as to 3 as to 7. So which means that in the initial case, Shilpa has 5 upon 15th of the total money. Twinkle has 7 by 15th of the total money. Now if you look at the second part of this question, by the end of the game, Akshay and Twinkle together had 100% more money than Shilpa. So this will give us Akshay plus Twinkle is equal to 2 times Shilpa, and Akshay had 12.5% less money than Twinkle and Shilpa together. So what this means is the amount of money with Akshay, A, is equal to amount of money with Twinkle plus Shilpa minus 12.5% of the amount with Twinkle and Shilpa. This means Akshay had 87.5% of the money with Twinkle and Shilpa. And what is 87.5%? If you convert 87.5%, you will get the fraction 7 upon 8. And therefore, this becomes 8 times A is equal to 7 times T plus F. So we have equation 3 here, we have equation 4 here. If you solve equation 3 and equation 4 by eliminating any one of the given variables, we get the relation S as to A as to T is equal to 5 as to 7 as to 3, which means Twinkle had basically 3 by 15th of the total at the end of the game. Now, since Akshay gained 800 rupees, what is the gain of Akshay in this case? Akshay gained from 3 by 15th of the total to 7 by 15th of the total. If you look at the start, you see that Akshay has 3 by 15th of the total money, and at the end Akshay has 7 by 15th of the total money. So if total money is X, we can say that 7 by 15th of X minus 3 by 15th of X must be equal to 800 rupee, and which means X is equal to 3000 rupee. So this is the answer to question number 5, which is the total amount of money with all the three of them. Now to solve question number 4, all we need is the difference of amounts with Twinkle at the end and at the start. So at the end of the game, Twinkle has 3 by 15th of the total, and at the start of the game, Twinkle has 7 by 15th of the total. So once again we say 7 by 15th of X minus 3 by 15th of X, which is the total. Now replacing X by the actual total amount of money, that is 3000, we have 7 by 15 multiplied by 3000 minus 3 by 15 multiplied by 3000, and we get rupees 800 as our answer to question number 4.